Good day, grade 4s, and welcome to your English video lesson for today. Our theme for the next 2 weeks in English is Be an Eco-Warrior. An eco-warrior is a person actively involved in preventing damage to the environment. Listening and speaking. Refer to your work packs now, boys and girls. Turn to Monday's listening and speaking activity. You are required to answer the questions in your comprehension and summaries book. Pay attention now as we discuss the questions that you are required to answer. So in your work pack, it says listening and speaking activity. Answer in your comprehension and summaries book. Questions and answers. Number 1 says, what do you see in each picture above? And the picture we are referring to here is the picture here shown on the screen. And this is how the picture looks in color. So number 2 asks, what would happen if there was no more fuel? Number 3, what would happen if we no longer had trees and plants? Number 4, how do you feel when you look at the pictures? Number 5, which would you prefer? A world with no more fuel, or B, a world with no more plants and trees? And number 6 asks you to list reasons for your choice. Then in your work pack, we have reading and writing. Number 1 says, do you know what the following words mean? And you need to look them up in a dictionary and write the meanings in your personal dictionary. The first word is global, fossil fuel. The next word is ecosystem, tornadoes, warrior, and conferences. So you need to look up these words in your dictionaries and write them in your personal dictionary. Now you need to refer to your work pack again. Turn to the text entitled, What are Fossil Fuels? Under Monday's English work. Follow in your work pack as we read this text together. Are you ready to read, boys and girls? Good. Please follow on the screen as we read this text. What are fossil fuels? More than 100 years ago, a Swedish scientist called Svante Arrhenius warned people that the earth would get warmer and warmer if they kept on burning coal and oil. Very few people believed him. Today, we know that what he said was true. Why is burning coal and oil bad for our planet Earth? Coal, oil, and natural gas are fossil fuels from under the ground. They are used to generate electricity for lighting, heating, electronic equipment, and machines, and also to make petrol and diesel to drive engines and heavy machinery. Most people in the world burn fossil fuels to cook their food, warm their homes in winter, travel, and work. Nearly everything we buy in shops is made in factories that use power from fossil fuels. Sadly, burning fossil fuels is very bad for Earth because of the greenhouse effect. After you read, answer the following questions in your comprehension and summaries book. You will do the questions and answers. So number 1 in your work pack says, what are fossil fuels? Number 2, what did Svante Arrhenius warn people about? And number 3, list 4 things that people do with fossil fuels. The answers to these questions are found in that text, boys and girls. So this is the end of our Monday's English work. So you will refer to your work pack, complete all of the activities that has been discussed with you under Monday's work in your comprehension and summaries book, and you will do the questions and answers. Corrections will be done tomorrow. Thank you for watching, grade 4s. Goodbye.